G'day. Here's a tip for cleaning Jerusalem artichokes. You still need to do a proper clean after this and a scrub, but before you put them in the oven, I'm just doing these for the chooks at the moment, because if you cook them in too much dirt, it turns them black, and the chooks just don't pay any attention to black. They think they're rocks. So get yourself one of these deep fryers, one of these containers for putting chips and things in, and putting it in a deep fryer. Just pop them in there, put it in the water, agitate it about, and you get some clean ones. Just put it into the pot for cooking for now. These aren't too bad, not too dirty, because they came off the top layer of our Jerusalem artichoke patch, and the ground's pretty dry, so it's like it's not mud sticking to it a lot. When we get them further down, they're going to be a lot dirtier than this. Doesn't take long to do, and it's well worthwhile. There's a dirt in that lot. Doesn't take a lot of water. Water conservation is important, especially in Australia. When I finish with this, I'll put it on the garden. It's the agitation in the water gets the dirt off, but it's also the rubbing up and down against this mesh. There we go. Almost pure white. Good enough like that for the chooks, for sure. A lot of dirt in this one. A lot of this dirt will just go out through the bottom of the mesh. It's like using a sift, a sifter. That's the last. There we go. Excellent. See all the muck that comes off in here. gets sort of taken off with the mesh. Been using this one for quite a long time now. It's getting a lot harder work than it would have been if you put in a deep fryer, but it's lasting well, and it does the job. There you go. Hope that was of some use to you. Jerusalem artichokes, well worth growing. If you're growing these, you will never starve. They just keep coming back year after year. Just make sure they're growing somewhere where the wildlife can't get at them, mostly kangaroos. They'll dig them up and they'll eat them. But we've got a couple of patches here, and we'll never starve with these because they just keep coming back. The Indians use them in North America, in the Great Lakes area, and they're a member of the sunflower family, and yeah, well worth getting, well worth growing. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.